Hey guys, so here we go. Welcome to your Switchy dashboard. You can access the Smart Page feature right here and click on Create a new Smart Page. To begin, you will have the choice either to start from a template, thanks to our plus 100 predefined templates on various industries and different use cases, or to start from scratch. Here, let's start from scratch. Welcome to the Switchy Smart Page Builder, the place where you can create or edit your Smart Page. Our builder is divided into different tabs. The first one is the Theme tab, where you can edit the global design of your Smart Page tab. The Blocks tab, where you'll find the different types of blocks that you can add to your Smart Page. And finally, the Settings tab, where you can add some custom code to the header or body of your Smart Page to add some add-ons like chatbot or analytics. All right, let's start by editing the design, the theme of our Smart Page. For this example, let's imagine that I run a beauty center and I want to create a Smart Page to use as a bio link for my social media profile like Instagram, TikTok, etc. First thing first, I will have to define the background color of my Smart Page. I will edit it using this color picker. When I'm done, I'll then be able to choose the color of the button of my Smart Page, which will be the default color of all buttons. I'll then be able to choose the design of my buttons. They can be different shapes. For example, I'm going to choose this one. I can also select a different font and add an image for the background instead of color if I want. Okay, so now that I edited the design of my page, I can start adding and editing blocks. We can start with the avatar block, which will kind of be a header for my page. I'll start uploading a picture for it from my local files right here and add it to my Smart Page. Then I'll add a title to my avatar block, which in this case would be the name of my business, as well as the description to give additional information like my opening hours, for example. I can finally activate the avatar shadow to make it stand out if I want to, and we're all set for this block. So I want to allow my Smart Page visitors to discover my different services, so I'll create a button block that will redirect users to my website, for example, my services pages, where I detail all the different services that I offer. And then I'm going to add some text and an icon to give more information to make it more appealing. And if I want, I can choose a specific design for this button. So I can also add an animation so that the block will stand out, or a schedule to time limit the block. I'll then add another button because I want to give the possibility to my visitors to book a massage on my website. Same process here. I'll add a text to my button, a link to the book a massage page of my website, and add an icon to maximize my click rate. I'll then add a card block, which will be composed of an image title and the description, linking toward a specific page. And to save some time, I can just add a link to my website and the preview will be automatically fetched. I can also edit this preview and put a price in the description, for example, and I can also change the style of the card to a different shape and structure. I'm going to choose this style. Then I can add a video block, which can basically be a YouTube video showcasing some services that I offer in my beauty center. And I just have to paste the link of the video and edit the title if I want to. All right, so now I'll add a messenger block because I want my visitors to be able to communicate with me easily from this Smart Page. I can add different contact options, email, WhatsApp, and phone, and I can also add some pre-populated value that will be filled automatically when the visitor will click on this button and opening the messaging apps. I can paste my email address here with a subject and a body. And same process for WhatsApp and phone with a pre-filled phone number and a message for the WhatsApp part. So to continue, I'll add a social media block to my Smart Page that will redirect my visitors to my different social media accounts. And I'm going to select the social media that I want to feature here, which are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. The last thing to do will be to paste the links to my social page in the link fields. Yeah, now I'm done adding all the blocks I wanted to add, but I could have added a form block to collect some information about my visitors like email addresses or names, and so generate leads. I could also have added a countdown block if I had, for instance, some time-limited offers. I can move some blocks to change the structure of the page, drag and drop the different blocks at the spot I want them to be. I can also improve the look of the page by adding a divider at the top and the bottom of the page to make it look more cool. And when I'm done editing everything, I can change the title of my page to easily find it back here. So I'll name it My Page, and then click on Next, and we're done with the Smart Pages creation step. Okay, so after I clicked on Next, I'm now inside the Share Settings tab of my Smart Page, where I can edit, for instance, the preview of my Smart Page, adding, for instance, a picture related to my business, as well as a title to my link and a description, like I would do for my Switchy.io shortened links. I can also add some retargeting pixels to my Smart Page, some UTM tags, customize the domain name, the slug, to make it stick to my brand identity. And like for Switchy links, I can add some advanced options to it. When I'm done, I click on Create, and well done, Switchers. It will generate my Smart Page link that I can now share with the world. Now, last but not least, I can check my Smart Page analytics right here by clicking on this button to check the number of people that visited my Smart Page, get detailed information about the referral, the devices, the countries of my visitors, etc. So this is information about the page in general, but thanks to our Block Analytics tab, I can also get detailed information about different blogs by clicking on the Blog Analytics tab right here. We got information about the number of clicks per block and even per section, and this can, for example, help me to improve my Smart Page and see which blocks are performing the most. And finally, here's the Leads tab. I can find all the information like emails, names, phone numbers that I collected thanks to the forms that I've added to my Smart Page. And in this example, I added a form to collect email addresses for my newsletter. I can download a CSV with all the data by clicking on the download button, and then connect these data with my other tools. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed our tutorial on creating a new Smart Page.